We love a fakeaway in our house, and this one couldn't be easier. I used some bone-in chicken thighs and I scatter on some piri-piri seasoning. We like ours a little bit spicy. I tend to make this dish with a little bit of tin foil in my air fryer drawer for a start. Seal it up, it just makes the chicken really nice and succulent. I take it off about 5 minutes towards the end just to crisp up the skin. We served ours with corn on the cob with a scattering of paprika and garlic powder. Sometimes it's wedges in this house, sometimes it's chips. This time it was a Mexican style rice. I thought I'd change it up a bit just to be a little bit healthy too. It was so tasty. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did.